They say the devil's in the details, but in my line of work, the devil is the detail. You can call me Rook, Simon Rook. The name doesn't matter much, but the work, that's where the real mystery lies. I thought I had mastered the ins and outs of the advertising world, every secret etched into my mind. But now, I see, there are depths even I never dared to imagine. AI in advertising? Ha! Nothing but a gimmick, I thought, just another flashy toy for the tech boys to play with. But then, this dame walks into my office, all curves and silicon, an AI interface they called her. Then I saw it, an ad so perfect, so tailored, I couldn't believe my eyes. It spoke to me like it knew me better than I knew myself. That's when I caught on. This wasn't just some new gadget, it was like crossing into a whole other level of the ad game. AI wasn't replacing us, it was amplifying us, giving us power we never dreamed of. The future of media, it's here alright, and it's got artificial intelligence written all over it. As for me, I'm just along for the ride. With AI leading the way, who knows where we'll end up.